Hi guys, I haven't posted a video, but I'm gonna be making this particular lei. It's gonna be the single braided lei, but I'm gonna be layering one side with the sheer, which is this guy. I'm using this size right here, and then this is the regular satin ribbon. Okay, so this is just a regular single braided lei. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing this for a keiki, which is a little girl. Okay, so this is gonna be one of them is gonna be layered this way. See how I have it here? So I'm gonna layer it. I'm only gonna layer one side. Okay. And I already pre-cut this. Like I said, I'm making it for a little girl. So just the basic way to do it. Okay. So that's my first part. This is the back, and this is the front. Okay. And this is the other side. Okay, how I insert, see this? I put that in, put the other one in. I like to hang them on my neck so I can slowly just pull them. Okay, just like so. And then go in, put that in, pull it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is reverse the camera, and I'm gonna show it to you guys slowly how I put it together. There we go, guys. We're gonna start putting them together. So let's start from the very beginning. This is the single braided lei now. Okay, so this is the one on the right, one on the left. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert this, go that way. Okay, and then we're gonna insert this guy right here. Okay, we pull that part right there. Then I put one in from the other side. Nicely secure them. Okay, and then next, okay, and then next, I haven't done this layered one before. This is my first time putting them together, so hopefully I'm doing the right thing, so you guys can see the effect. See how this color's coming in? Show it to you guys closer. See this, guys, right here, how it's coming in. That's how it looks. Okay, so just keep on continue doing the same exact pattern, and until you get to to the length that you want, which this is not pretty long. Actually, this is quite short, because again, this, we're making this for a little girl, for Keiki. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a fast forward, and we're gonna finish this together. But yeah, so this is just the basic braiding, but I layer the other side with this particular type of material. It's the organza here, and this is the white part is the regular satin. They are both 3/8. Okay, I'm gonna do a fast forward now, guys. Okay guys, so we're now approaching the end of this lei. So let's just finish this lei. And I'll show you how I end this, because it's not the typical round lei that I make. I'll show it to you guys. You guys will see it. Okay, so this is the end, this is the other part, this is the left side, and this is the right side. So what I'll do is put that through to lock it in. Just pull that one. Okay, now we have this other end here, right? So you want to kind of like match, not really match, but this one should be long enough. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna undo one, maybe one more, and that. Okay, so we end up with this. Okay, so now this is how I'm gonna end this guy right here. This is going to a little girl once again. So what I'll do is cross it that way. Okay, finish up like so, this way. Let me see. There we go. So I'm gonna get one extra of this guy, the satin. Then I'll go on this end to tie them together. Okay. Gotta make sure it's nice and tight. So I did it once and then twice. That's how I end it. Okay. So now it's time to trim them. Trim it. Trim. Get out of my chair. Move stuff away. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna trim it. Come out with that. One more, just one more right there. There we go. So we come out with that. So what I do now is I pre-made my figure 8 ribbon right here, and I layered it with the blue and the what color is that, with the navy blue and the white. So see how I got it layered here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pull it out like this to make it more fuller. I did layer it, but I want to show the other color too, because if you put them, leave it like that, it will look like a silver. Okay, so we're done with that. So what are we going to do now is slap it right there. We tie it like that. Where's the other end? Oops. So we tie it like so. Okay. If I can find my other end. I'm having a hard time finding it. Oh, there we go. So just go ahead and tie it once, twice, okay, and then we trim it, trim, 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 trim. Okay. So we come out with that. Okay, how am I going to finish this with all the other ribbons? So what I'll do is put these other ribbons like this. I'm not going to starburst it because this is for a little girl. Okay, so it will end like that. So how I do that is I'm going to go ahead and preheat my hot glue gun here so I can finish this order. Let's move you guys a little bit more. Okay, so we can. All right, is the hot glue gun ready yet? We'll be back when the glue gun is ready. All right, hot glue gun is ready. So see how I have this one right here? Kind of like fix it around, but yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the white first, and let me just find it where I tied them. So I'm gonna put the glue right there, not so much now guys, just enough, okay? And then we put it right there, because what I normally do to hold it down there, because it's kind of hot, I use my scissor to stay there for like maybe good 10 seconds or maybe 15 seconds until I know it's holding down there. Okay, and I believe we can go to the next color now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next color is the blue. Can we find it where we tie it? You guys notice it's kind of short now because I trim it. I didn't want that extra extended material in there because this is going to a little girl. Okay, we got that down there. Push it in with the scissor. Make sure it's nice and tight on the material. Okay, another 10 seconds or so. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Okay, so next we're going with the white one. We're gonna go ahead and glue it on with the help of the scissor. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Should be good now. Okay, and then next one is the blue. We look for where we tie it, and we put it here. Put it with the scissor. And then we're going to count our 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so there you guys have it. This is a very short tutorial. This is actually a real quick one because it's going to a keiki or to a little girl that's stepping up from, I believe, pre-K to K. So you guys have it. Here's our tiny little lei for the little girl. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Love you guys. Aloha. Salamat po.